Questions? Yeah, now the cups are coming out, right?
Adding to the previous question, I say that inconsistency is something that can bring you down. I believe there is the other two things: fear of failure and having unrealistically high expectations of yourself. So, in your opinion, into contradictory, what is the mindset?
Fear of failure and unrealistic expectations. Again, a great question. This one deserves a cup. So, fear of failure. Now, let me ask you this. If you fail at something, what is the worst that can happen? When you fail at something, what's the worst that can happen?
Now that I've attended the session, I'd say that log kya kahenge.
लोग क्या कहेंगे? Okay. The worst thing from a human perspective, right? From a human perspective, setting aside religion for a second. The worst thing that can happen is कि आप जो है you end up dying, right? Everything else other than that to me is acceptable, because as long as you are breathing and you have air in your lungs, tomorrow is another day. So the fear of failure comes from your life ending. It has not. People often put it in their heads कि शायद अगर मैं ये ना कर सका या ना कर सकी तो my life will be over. But life is never over till Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has written it for it to be over. No matter what happens. And so when you eliminate that, you have nothing to lose, because jab tak you are alive, every one of you can achieve something in life till your last day. Number one. Number two, इस दुनिया की जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, जितनी भी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है एक दिन खत्म हो जाएगी, ऐसे ही है। उसके साथ जितने भी आपके प्राइस पोजेशंस हैं वो भी सारे खत्म हो जाएंगे। अभी रिसेंटली द कुवैती अमीर passed away. His net worth was $600 million. एंड उसकी ग्रेव बिल्कुल सिंपल सी थी, तो इधर से उधर कुछ ट्रांसफर हुआ नहीं है, ना ही उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स, ना ही उसकी दुनिया वाली अचीवमेंट्स. सो द फियर ऑफ फेलियर कम्स फ्रॉम what you think you are doing in this world. If you for a second eliminate that even if you don't get what you wanted in life, it's okay. If you get what you wanted, it's okay. And if you don't get it, it's okay. We are too hard on ourselves. The second thing you mentioned, what was the second part of the question?
Having unrealistically high expectations.
Unrealistically high expectations. So most people, when they work for money, right? Everybody starts a career, they want to have a big business or a big company or do something big as a career, right? They earn money from that. उन पैसों से क्या करते हैं वो? किसी और के हाथ में पकड़ा देते, right? वो किसी और के हाथ में पैसे पकड़ा देते हैं, उसकी जगह उससे कोई चीज खरीद लेते। अब एक बंदा है, iPhone 12 is launching on the 13th of October, okay? And the whole world is going to go crazy. जो खाना अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते वो भी लाइन में लगे होते हैं आईफोन के लिए, ठीक है? So the whole world is going to go crazy. अब सवाल ये है कि iPhone 12 कितनी खुशी आपको दे रहा है? My wife will disagree with that, but कितनी खुशी आपको कितने अरसे के लिए देगा? So let's say you save 6 months to buy that iPhone 12, right? And you buy that phone, and after, I guarantee you, after a week, it is just another phone. But you work so hard because you have this expectation that you want that for yourself. And then you get it, and then you use it, and it's over, and then you're on to the next thing. So, what I always tell people is, when it comes to expectations, is that it's okay to set lower expectations and beat them. Nowhere does it say that if you're making $1 million a year, you're going to be happy. मैं उन लोगों को भी जानता हूं जो 20,000 रुपया कमाते हैं महीने का और पूरी फैमिली चलाते हैं और खुश हैं, और मैं उन लोगों को भी जानता हूं जो 50 लाख कमाते हैं महीने का और खुश नहीं है. So you have to focus on not how much money you make, it's how much money you spend. And when you look at that equation, automatically the pressure on you comes down. Because you don't have to have everything in the world. You just have to have enough. And if you get more than that, it's okay. And if you don't get it, it's okay. Any other questions?
Yes, sir, I have a question. Sir, as you said, nothing is impossible. My question is, there are certain limits which society has defined specifically for the females. Like I personally think for males, it is quite easier, but for females, it's getting difficult even day by day. What can we do in that case? Like I have seen many people, even in my circle, giving up on their dreams because of their family, society pressure, and all these certain aspects.
Okay.
What can we do with that?
Okay. So great question, especially these days. It's a very hot topic. So I believe, and this is my personal opinion, and it doesn't have to be right or wrong, is I believe the pressure on women exists, but pressure on men also exists.